Hello and welcome to today's video. I am today in Wrocław and we have had a little exhibition here, not a big one. We have only got 5 vehicles, but 5 is better than 4, which is better than 3, better than 2, better than 1 of course. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you around a quick look at this, starting off with this Maturi camper off-road a mini caravan. So we're tidying up now. As you can see, the weather rained, so that was rather unfortunate. But so what we've got here is this mini caravan here. Inside the box here we've got the kitchen and other facilities that we might want to carry with us. You can see that in the longer videos I've done on it. And looking inside here, you've got the bed as well as some of the junk which has been thrown in here, and there you got storage around there. This comes with a the possibility of diesel heating inside from a Webasto or similar, and a skylight as well. This is designed for off-road, for use with a 4x4 vehicle, and of course it comes here with a bit more storage as well. So let's have a look at this. Let's open this up and you can see you get lots of stuff in there. Great place for carrying some cold pizza, for example. What's clever about this is the suspension system, which has been designed by the manufacturers, Maturi, for use on with off-road vehicles. Right, so here we have I'm going to come to this one first. This is the Rimor Evo Sound. It's sits 6, sleeps 7, or rather I should say it travels 6, got 6 belted positions. And let's have a walk inside. So being cleaned up, but you can get the idea. So you get 2 people sitting, or lying I should say, up there. This here will convert into a bed. Get 2 more down there. This also converts into a single bed here. Here we have the fridge with a pull-out bit below for drinks, freezer bit up there. It has an enormous wardrobe. There you go, full of other stuff at the moment. And the garage as such is this bed bit here, so you can use that as a garage or as a bed. That's why the mattress is currently on the floor, because it's been packed up with stuff's being put in it. Here we have a bunk as well. As you can see, I've put up the net, but if you don't want the net up, that's what it looks like inside with a view out the window. In here we have the toilet, shower, which is quite deep. I mean, it's the rear shower, it's quite large. Bear in mind, if you've got 7 people in here, the water, you've got what, 100, oh, I think it's 100 litres of fresh water shared by 7. That's how much you've got per person in here. Now this is on a 3.5 ton base. If you've got 7 people in here, then that's going to come very close to the edge of the carrying capacity. In fact, it's probably going to reach it. Why have they got 6 belted positions and 7 sleeping positions? I don't know. I didn't build it. Right, let's have a look in here. Right, now here we've got a Roller Team 287 TL, and have a walk around this one. Right, so this comes with the German layout at the back. It's quite similar to the 284 TL as well. Quite similar. It's at the back it's the same, but the front is a bit different. Here we've got some storage, and so there you've got sort of a hanging space there. Of course, this is the floor bit comes out as well, and to make more deeper space. And there you've got much more space in that side, and drawers as well, as a number of Trigano companies are doing now, including the Spanish one, but Benimar. I'm not so keen on this though. I don't like this thing here, because I've started putting hinging the German thing here. So this comes down, it's on hinges, as you can see from down there possibly, and this comes down like that, and I much prefer it as a slide. Anyway, that's the way it is. If you'd rather have a slide or a hinge, the hinged models are from 2022. Before that it was on a slide. Toilet here. There you go. Now the shower, it's conveniently got two drainage holes. I'd rather have had domestic ones, but they're sort of these smaller camper type ones. It's step up. Somebody asked me today, why is there a step up? I said, well, that's so that the water will drain out. And that's the reason for that. And there we've got a thing to sit on as you get your feet cleaned. Second bed here. This is the electric bed, which I'm now going to take down for you. I'm going to get in the way of anything, so just take this out of the way. So that gives you an idea, and that's the size of the bed. There is a ladder to get yourself into the bed as well, but even with the bed down, you can see there's lots of light for those who are on the bed itself. So that, I think, is quite a positive feature of this van. Another positive thing is you don't need a key. And I know there is the counter argument to not having a key is that people start messing around with it, but I'd have to point this out. Okay, kids can get it at that height, but if they can reach up to that height, then they should be at an age where they should be playing with things like that. Anyway, that's just my opinion. So here we have the sink, as you can see, it's in use, and under the sink we have, there's a 3-burner hob. 3 hob burners, 3 whatever it's called, cooker, and under here of course we have a bit of storage as well. Actually you can't see that, can you, because we've got this stuff here. There you go. It's nice to see it in use. Oh, there you go, full complete. Now if you're interested in any of these vehicles, they are available at this company, which I'll show to you as I leave it. There you go. Car&Rest. We create new memories. There you go. Tworzymy nowe wspomnienia. But I'll show you where I am as I end the video. Now here we have a rather, I wouldn't say unusual anymore. It's no longer unusual. These seats will actually turn round. So your seat belt is, there's part of it, and there's the other part of it. And what happens here is that all of this here comes out, and the back here comes up, which I might be able to demonstrate, or may not be able to demonstrate. But this, oh, I can't really demonstrate. Sorry, I need 2 hands. But anyway, that comes up. So the seat, when you're driving in a forward position, I think it's a lot of faffing around, in my opinion. But then again, you might want a face-to-face look in the vehicle as you're moving. Here we have sorry, a fridge, same as in the other vehicle, exactly the same one, and there's a mirror, so you can see yourself in the mirror as you walk out. Now another feature here that this has got is this very large garage, which I think will take 150 kilos in the back, and so it's great for storing boxes and leaflets and things on chairs, but see how big it is. It's enormous. All right, so now we come to this one here, which is a camper van, the Horus, 636 centimeters in length, and so it's got this German I don't understand, that's not really fair to call it a German layout in a camper van, but it's got lengthwise beds for those who are 2 meters or less, and under here we've got storage, so you've got a wardrobe there. There's also a wardrobe on the other side as well, which you can see under there. All of this can be held up. You can see there's a ring up here, so that will hold everything up. I can take the whole thing up. There we go. Like I say, I wouldn't be able to get all the way up because there's a, normally you wouldn't keep the what do you call it, the winch for the awning down there. You'll have a look in this rather nice looking cabinetry. Decent ledge on that. You've got USBs, you've got electric point there, so that's quite good. Here we have a fridge, and under here there's more storage. So, you know, for a camper van, this is quite a storage wonder, as they say in German. Also got steps up to the bed as well. Got 2 burners here and the sink. I won't move the stuff away at the moment. You can see it in the video I've done, which is for this one. In here, I'll show you the washroom, and right, this comes out for the shower. I think that's more convenient than having, that's just my opinion though. Toilet, dustpan and brush, and it's only got one plug hole, unfortunately. One drainage hole, I should say. Oh, there. Right, table. The table will also actually go outside should it be needed. There's the bench and 2 seats in there, turned around position. I'll show you where the table will go as well. So you can fit a table out. The table will come out there should it be necessary. We'll have a look at the storage situation. In here goes the gas. Oops. 2 gas canisters in there, but of course get a refillable solution. That's far better if possible. Okay, finally we've got this one here with a tent in the roof. So you can see the tent there, see the vehicle here, and as there's people at the back, I won't take you to the back, but we'll have to see that in a different one. This is a system done by Escape Vans, which is called a camping box. But I think we'll have to have a look at that completely separately in a different video. So this is Wrocław in Poland, and so this exhibition here, small exhibition, was done for this weekend. Now this is these are friends of mine, so that's why I decided to come down and give some support to this event. So this is more or less in the centre, more or less in the centre of Warsaw, of Wrocław. So there's the Oder River. That's part of the Oder River. And so what we're going to do now is, I think we'll have a little competition as well, and see if you can get the. Now, can you see which way the Oder is flowing, or the Odra is in Polish? Fine, so you can see it's flowing in that direction, right? But the sea is in that direction. So today's competition is, why is it flowing in the wrong way? I mean, does it flow uphill here, for example? That could be one way. See if you can work out why it's flowing in the wrong direction, and the first person to get it right will get a prize, and the prize will be a picture of my dog in the community section. So that's the prize. So we can see there the caravans now, with the awnings being taken off the mini caravan. And so to conclude, this place here is called Prostos Mosto. So the bar with next to it, Prostos Mosto, right off the bridge, and the bridges are here beside. We've got 2 road bridges and a railway bridge, so it's really not right off the bridge, should be right off the bridges. Right, so anyway, so there you have it. 2 Rimor motorhome, Rimor campervan, a roller team motorhome. We've got that one over there with the escape vans kit on it, and we've got this Maturi here 4x4 caravan. So a little motorhome display. And so thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting. I've covered actually all of these vehicles in other videos, so you can see them as well. So, and today is the date of today is the 10th of July 2022. And the reason I say that is because it's 16 years ago today that I posted my first video on YouTube. And the video I posted up that day was a video of which I'd taken to see how to make films, and then because it was the only film I had, I uploaded it just to see how it worked, and it's still up there 16 years later. And anyway, so should you be interested, I'll put a link to that one below, my first ever video. But of course you can just go to YouTube and you'll find it just as easily. Thanks very much for watching, and all the best from me in Wrocław, Poland.